Have you ever tried to make a turkey dinner or cook a turkey and it failed? Well, guess what? You came to the proper location because in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a turkey. Yeah! I gotta get out of here now. Ah! I'm okay! Now, when it comes to making turkeys, or cooking turkeys, I should say, that's something that's ran into my family's history forever since I can remember. I remember my father telling me about making turkeys, and my father's father told him about making turkeys, and my father's 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 father told him about making turkeys, and my father's 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 grandfather. Yet that guy, he was a pilgrim, and he was a proud pilgrim as well too. And that guy, I gotta tell you, he's my hero. Here's a picture of him. Yeah, I'm so proud of my family history. See, back then, before modern day conveniences, he used to have to go out into the wild and have to actually kill a turkey so that he can eat it for Thanksgiving. Because Thanksgiving was the thing back then too. Sure, it may not have been a holiday, but that's okay. It was in the hearts and minds of the people of the pilgrimage, or the pilgrims. Because they were proud. They were really proud. And because I'm proud, and I want to represent my father's 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 grandfather, because I want to, take on the tradition. For Thanksgiving, I'm going to cook a turkey. Yeah. Alright. We're in the house now. I like to be authentic and stick to my family traditions. That's why I went out of my way to get my turkey, which is right here. I'm a proud representative of my family. Yeah. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare this turkey. Now, excuse me. It's going to take a lot of work. It's time to get serious now. Okay. I got the turkey set. Well, somewhat. I gotta still prepare this a little bit better. When it comes to cooking turkeys, there's a general rule of thumb of how much you have to cook it. You base it off of the weight. This turkey, according to this label right here, says it's 14.29 pounds. So let's just say it's 15 pounds. It's better to overestimate than underestimate. You want to cook this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which I gotta set. You want to cook this. General rule of thumb is that for every pound, you want to have it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So I want it in the oven for 5 hours. Okay, the thing about the turkey is this. You're going to want to take the wings and tuck them underneath. There's 1, 2. When it comes to making gravy, I just buy a gravy packet at the Crab Mart near you. Crab Mart's it's an amazing place. It makes cooking a lot easier, I buy gravy packets like this. The thing with the turkey is this. This section right here, the breast region of the turkey, the white meat, you don't want this cooked at such a high heat compared to the dark meat. So I'm going to take foil, put it around this right here, just this section right here. Got to add a little bit of oil to it, a little olive oil. Got the turkey in the oven. Alright, I'm back here now. It's 2:20. I got to get everything else cooked now. Wish me luck. Hey folks! Here, let me display it like this. Here are the things I'm going to be making besides the turkey. Mashed potatoes. Stuffing! Once again, the instructions say it all of how I'm supposed to do this. And I have to constantly keep rereading these instructions because I keep forgetting. That's because I'm a real chef. I like to always double check, Then I'm going to be making candied yams, sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call these things. My flavoring agents are, I'm going to be using butter, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and a little hint of ginger. Gravy. With the gravy, by the way, these packets are great. It shows the instructions right there. They treat you as if you don't even know how to cook. These are gluten-free. See? It says it right there. Gluten-free. Turkey's done. In about 20 minutes, everything will be ready. Everything else. Well, the whole turkey dinner is made. I think I've made my father's grandfather, the pilgrim that I mentioned earlier. I think I made him proud. I'm glad that I made him proud. I miss you, great-grandpa, that I never knew. My father's grandfather, the pilgrim. I miss.